Car Story research indicates this vehicle as competitive listing price. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2019 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, FWD, backup camera, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.